All right, we have two sets of numbers. We have set A and set B. So first we need to list the elements in set A or B. Now when we're doing this, it may help to think of a Venn diagram. When we're saying A or B, that means, we'll call these circles A and B. A or means any element or any number that is an A. It can be in both A and B or in B. So basically any number in either set is going to be A or B. Now you want to list these from least to greatest. So one idea is you can even cross them out as you go. So I'll do 1 and 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's get those all crossed out. 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll get the 12 and the 15. Now notice the ones that are repeated, like 12, I'm not going to write it twice. I just write it once, and then 24. So that's every element that's in either set. Okay, now this one's a little bit different. A and B is only looking for the numbers that are in both sets. So they have to be in both of them to count here. Now the way to keep these straight, like which one's or, which one's and. This one's or, and I think of and because notice that looks like an N, and there's an N in and. So that's how you can kind of keep them straight. So and, it has to be in both sets, and then or, it could be in either set. So the only ones in both sets are going to be 12 and 24. So that will be the and. So the key to these is remembering which one stands for or, which one stands for and then kind of remembering what that means.